Tuesday, February 24th, and they wasn't out here yesterday. Can't remember if I was out here even on Sunday, but bit of an update. I contacted Ryan Johnson, who all of you guys should be doing some business with, and he has got new ski legs almost done. I think he said that the paint is just drying on the new ones. He's got the bushings in stock, ready to go. New sprockets are on their way, and then one other thing, bogey chains. So he's got all that order ready for us to go. Should be just in the nick of time here. He's going to probably end up sending it an express post up the highway to us, and looks like Dad has got I don't know if those are the new ones or not, but he's got all the axles off, and they probably I know they've got to put in regular bearings because they had needle bearings on here, but they oh yeah, there we go. So Aidan's working on the other side on the axles there. Probably gonna have to take the sandpaper down and clean it right up, and that's exactly what he's doing right now. Got to be smooth, 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 guys, because if it's not smooth, 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 you can't do anything. And hey,
come look at this one.
Okay, what's wrong?
Feel underneath there with your hand.
Okay, hold on. Oh yeah, pretty rough.
Well, that's one of the ones that had needle bearings in it.
Yeah.
And the bushing was all cracked and fucked up, so the bearings are running all crooked. And it wears these big grooves in.
Yeah. And so you can, when you underneath there, you can feel those grooves. It's almost like I don't know how to describe it, but like you can definitely feel it. And that all has to be sanded down, because it can't have those grooves when you put the axles and the bearings back on. So, okay. So hopefully these parts come up the highway real toot sweet, and we are expecting more snow here. Again, it was a brutally cold day here today, but it's the tail end of February, and February just can, you never know what it's like around here. I always find although it's the shortest month, it is the coldest month up here, and you can get a nice day 1 second, and then halfway through the day turn brutally cold, or it can, like there was so much snow yesterday, guys, that at work the maintenance guys just went round and round and round and round and round and round with the equipment clearing snow. Our driveway at the house and in the shop here as well is also just varying levels of snow. I have to call in equipment guys to start getting that stuff out. So, but it looks like these guys are going to get these rear axles back on, or look, they're probably already in place, did whatever they have to do. Probably going to put in those Dennis Evans tires on now on the back, because these guys don't have enough tires. And the deal I made with the red Bombardier owner and this owner, because they're brothers, is well, kind of buy their spares so that I can sell them right back to them on the machine. So no actual money's changing hands, just equipment is being sold from one end to the next. But these are the Dennis Evans tires right here. We got 2 left, and Dennis actually gave us Rev 4 of his machine and of his wheels, and so hopefully they work. And but it's all cleaned out in there. So these guys have been busy for the last 2 days here, and I'm gonna let Aidan continue to do his sanding down there. Sure glad he's got hips and knees, because I wouldn't be able to get down there and do that. But we'll check in with the dogs here right away and see what they're up to. So one of the things here the last couple of days is, a couple of videos ago we asked everybody to comment. Dad got lots and lots of comments from his fans, but the common theme is love the channel, checking in from wherever they're checking in from. But one of the common themes is, I love your dad's videos because he tells it like it is. There's no pissing around. I like the swearing. So everybody likes it when you tell it like it is.
If you're not swearing, you're not working.
There you go. Nina Pinta Santa Maria. Hey, baby. Oh, what a good dog. Pecker-headed cat. And then our little Georgie Porgy. He's just munching on a chicken strip. What a life for a shop dog. Oh yeah, what a hard life we've got for these dogs. Everybody's got several rounds of dog treats, chicken strips, marrow bones, yummies. And we just love our neighbors and our Charles in charge. Hey Charles. Yeah, and there's Mila Blondie. What a bunch of good dogs we have.